What's going on, everybody? It's SVT Vasquez back at it with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could upgrade your live streaming or gaming without using much money at all. Let's start this show. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and if this video helps you guys out at all, make sure you hit that like button as well. So a big thing that gets overlooked while live streaming or gaming, it's not actually your laptop, your PC, your monitor, your camera, your mic, anything like that. We buy the best thing that our budget allows, and that's perfectly fine. But one thing that we do overlook is our Wi-Fi power. So a big reason that I don't like using Wi-Fi while gaming or live streaming is because there are a lot of things that could disrupt your Wi-Fi connection. That includes the walls, the wood in your walls, the concrete, the metal, your doors, people walking around your house, people using the Wi-Fi, as well as your neighbor's router. So your Wi-Fi routers actually send out waves of signals that contain the information that your PC or laptop is picking up, and being too close to your neighbor's router is going to interfere with that connection as well. So you might be paying for good quality Wi-Fi in your home, but that doesn't mean that you're receiving good quality Wi-Fi to your device. That's also going to depend on the distance that your setup is from your router. So I'm going to show you guys a speed test on my PC and how good the Wi-Fi is, being about 30 feet away from my router, and there's only about 2 walls between them, and nobody else in the house is using my Wi-Fi. I pay Xfinity Comcast for 700 megabits per second, and to stream a live video, to stream gaming, to stream a Netflix movie, it only takes about 12 megabits per second. So let's see if there's enough Wi-Fi for me to be able to live stream something live or play a video game online. So as you guys could see in the bottom right corner here, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi currently. So let's go ahead and run this speed test and see what my numbers are. So as you guys could see, we're around the 33 megabits per second, and like I mentioned earlier, to live stream you need about 12 megabits. So if someone's gaming and someone's watching Netflix in the other room, we're all gonna have connection issues. It's not gonna be a good live stream for me. It's not gonna be a good connection for the gamer, and maybe the Netflix might even buffer a little bit before it loads. So let's go ahead, run the same test. I didn't change anything else but connecting the Ethernet cord to my PC. So as you guys can see in the bottom right, I'm no longer on Wi-Fi. I'm on a direct line to my router, and let's see what my numbers are now. So like I stated in the beginning, I'm paying for 700 megabits per second, and it gave me 696. So that's pretty much what I'm paying for, and that's not gonna have my live stream buffer cut out, anything like that. My gaming is gonna be smooth. That's way more than I actually need for gaming or live streaming. So anybody else connected to the Wi-Fi is not gonna disrupt me because I'm actually connected with the Ethernet cord. So my live stream or gaming is gonna run smooth as possible, and that's the one thing that people overlook the most while live streaming or gaming, is not being connected directly to your router. As you could see, the numbers are a night and day difference. I'm not gonna have any issues. So if this video helped you guys out at all, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm just all about this money. I don't think about no thought. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Born and raised in the dot. This is real as you gon' see. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Get off my